Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shaz Academy. Today I am going to teach you singular and plural. Singular noun. The noun that names only one person, place, thing or animal is called a singular noun. For example, ball, mango, chick. Plural noun. The noun that names more than one person, place, thing or animal is called plural noun. For example, balls, chicks, and mangoes. Some ways to change noun from singular to plural: by adding s, by adding es, by adding ies, and by adding ves. By adding s. Sometimes some words take only s in its plural form. For example, apple, apples, car, cars. By adding es. Add es to noun that end in ch, sh, o, s, se, x and z to get their plural form. For example, box, boxes, tomato, tomatoes. By adding ies. Words that end in y, change the y into I and then adding es. I plus es is equal to ies. For example, baby, babies. Puppy, puppies. By adding ves. Words that end in f or fe, change the f or fe into ves. For example, leaf, leaves, calf, calves. Thanks for watching my video. Friends, if you like my video, so like, share and subscribe.